Hello world, I'm Maya Sendermeyer and I would like to welcome you to the latest episode of my vlog series. So far I have been able to share my experiences on what it's like to live on the autistic spectrum, or rather have Asperger's syndrome. A second thing that I will do is provide my 2 cents on what's going on with autism in the media. And a third area entails providing tips and advice for those of you who are on the spectrum. I will also reach out to your friends, family members, peers, mentors, educators, employers, and anybody who is inside the autistic community. And finally, I will cover topics on things that I'm passionate about, along with sharing the day in the life of Maya Sendermeyer. So check it out. I was just in Target a little while ago and I had to get myself some laundry. Yes, I bought Tide Pods because they're really easy to put in your washing machine and they don't make a huge mess. You just pop them in and you're ready to go. YouTube, once again, I highly encourage you not to eat Tide Pods, but rather please be sure to buy them and videotape yourself doing so, and then videotape about how many clothes and other items that are washable or machine washable, like shoes, scarves, whatever. And then I would videotape yourself contacting various organizations like Atlanta Mission or any other homeless shelter. You can also contact the American Kidney Services. Please be sure to videotape yourself making reservations with them and putting your boxes outside the doors, and also showing that you've got the flyer or your little tax deductible. Just please do not eat Tide Pods. According to this, it says, if harmful if put in mouth or swallowed, eye irritant packs can burst if children put them in mouth and play with them. So I've also heard that these can burn your skin, and I heard about the effects of what Tide Pods can do. So yeah, don't eat them. But if you want more information, please be sure to click up here in the upper right hand corner. This is a disturbing talk, but it is basically the process of what happens when someone eats a Tide Pod and all the side effects that come with it. So I just thought I would let you guys know. But while I was in Target today, I was looking at different cameras and different camcorders because, as I said, I'm looking to upgrade from a phone because I'm tired of having a portrait image. I want a whole picture in my vlogs, and I want them to be as high definition as possible so that I can draw more people in. I was also looking at drones today, but as I was looking at them, the fire alarm inside Target went off, and it's very loud, yes, but too, just about on every aisle there's a fire alarm with a flashing light above. And this is one of the fire alarm systems that is very grating on my ears, and it gets to a point that I have to cover my ears because it's just so loud and so grating. And in fact, this noise is so loud that it's very disabling. Like last year, I was here at Target shopping. Of course, I was buying laundry pods, and I had to buy a few other things for the house that I needed. And the fire alarm went off as I was standing in line, or rather, not standing in line, but I was walking in the aisles, and then I went to get in line. As I was there, the fire alarm kept going off and on, and it was so loud that it was very disabling. Even when I was trying to write a check, I literally froze when I was standing there. Other things I learned about this fire alarm, and I want to let you know this, that some noises are so loud that they can actually hurt your body. And to me, it reminds me of one of those electric sanders. and the noise itself felt like it was sanding on my skin, or it was like sanding on a scab and causing your body to hurt. And the noise was so deafening, and this happened the second time, that I always feel sort of or mildly nauseous afterwards. Now luckily I was able to cover my ears. However, there are others on the spectrum. If you put them into that target, they would lay on the floor and start kicking and screaming because of sensory overload. What may sound like a drill to an electric sander to me is something I can still tolerate, but I have to cover my ears and I feel sick. Might be even worse for somebody else who's on the spectrum. But anyway, I was on my way off to go pick up a few groceries in the Midtown Atlantic Station area, and then I'm headed back home to get some studying done. I don't know quite what I'm gonna get, but I don't want to carry a loaded handful on the train and the bus back to my neck of the woods, but I do know that I need to get a few things. I know I need to get more turkey bacon, and I know I need to get something I can eat at work. I know I don't want TV dinners because those things are loaded with sugar, and though their frozen products look really good in the aisle, I always pop them in the microwave and they're just not that great. And their vegetables and produce and their products aren't that great because they've been frozen, and they're in these juices or whatever it is, and they're full of sugar. No, I'm not set on those. I like to cook instead. Anyway, what I'd like you to do is check out my written blogs on Wordpress.com, which are scholarly and practical application. You can find these under Hello World 240 at Wordpress.com. That's Hello World 240 at Wordpress.com. Until next time, I'm signing off. Bye.